So this video we're going to show how to disassemble and pack a British Bell Strike grandfather clock. First thing you need to do is take off the hood. Always put your thumb on the door, otherwise when you tilt it forward the door will come and hit you on the forehead. Second thing you need to do is take off the time weight. The right side is the time, the left side is the chime striking the hour. So take off the time weight and remove the pendulum. You lift it up, take it out and then bring it down. Now, here's where you need two people. If you have a brass dial clock, the dial is so heavy, when you take off this weight it could fall forward. Generally as you're bending down it'll hit you on the head. If you have a heavy brass dial, it's better to have someone hold this. This is a painted dial, so it's not going to fall forward, but you have to be very careful about that. Then you can just lift the mechanism off and pack it like that. When you pack it, be sure to take the bell off. You don't want it to be transported with the bell on. There's a nut on the top. And then put the nut back. Now, when you transport it, you don't want the hands to be touching the painted surface or the brass dial. So what you need to do is protect the hands from touching the dial. You can remove this by pulling it forward, pack that separately or with the bell. But what I use is a piece of cardboard. This is like a writing pad. And just cut a V in there, put that and slide that down the back there. And then that will protect the hands from the dial. Now you could put it in some packing and even lay it on a piece of foam here face downwards, which will be the best way for it to be transported. I would recommend you take it to the UPS store. They will pack it for you. That way they're responsible for the packing. If you pack it yourself and something damages it, they will blame your packing. So get them to pack it, it's worth the extra money. Okay, so any other questions, give me a call. Thanks.